The property we live on was nothing but clay. We couldn't grow anything. And here I'm going to show you as the gophers came in this morning, they went through and tunneled through the clay that we have on our property. What you see are some wood chips on top, just scattered on top. But as they went along and they tunneled and kept coming up, you will see how the land changed drastically. Look at that. They now hit the 12 inches of wood chips my husband had laid down, our back to Eden garden. Look at the soil. Look at the difference in the soil. It went from a dry, dusty clay to beautiful, rich compost. It's amazing what we have done in less than 2 years. We could grow nothing before, almost nothing. If you grew in that soil we had, you had to put all kinds of compost constantly down and feed the plants. Now we no longer have to feed them, and this is what we've got now. It went from sand, that sandy looking clay, it's actually clay, and where he now put 12 inches of wood chips has turned into a rich, beautiful compost soil. Look at that soil. See the wood chips on the top you would never believe, but this is just 12 inches underneath where the gopher tunneled through and pushed it through when he reached our back to Eden garden. It is so worth it for people to try to get some wood chips and try to put it down. This did change our life. I can collect this. I can plant with this even in pots. And now the gopher gave me that. So he brought it up and I'm going to collect it and use it. But I wanted to share this with everybody. Wood chips changed our lives from clay to beautiful, rich, wonderful soil. Have a great day and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.